Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not connecting problem on the application of Pokemon Go. You click on settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you will search about the application of Pokemon Go and you will click. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Pokemon Go. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.